Welcome guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can manually power on and power off Jaybird Vista earbuds. Okay, so first you have to just take them from the case, and as you can see they are disconnected right now. So we have to click and hold on these two buttons at the same time, and then basically click and hold until connection status change. So click and hold, it will take like 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, you can release and then tap to connect buds. Click close, and as you can see right now they are turned on. That's very simple. If you want to know if they are turned on or turned off, you can simply just put one of them close to the ear, and you will hear a notification sound each time you power off or power on this device. And to power off you have to do the same. Click and hold these two buttons until connection status has changed to the offline. And that's it. As you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.